In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the PayPal app on your mobile device in 2025. With digital payments becoming more essential than ever, being able to navigate the PayPal app efficiently can simplify your money management. Whether you're buying items online, sending funds to a friend, or tracking your spending, this tutorial will walk you through the basics of getting started with the PayPal app. First, you'll want to ensure you have a PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the PayPal website and sign up. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Once you're all set up, let's move on to downloading the app. To download the PayPal app on your mobile device, open your device's App Store. On iOS, this would be the App Store, and on Android, it would be the Google Play Store. Once you're there, search for PayPal and look for the official app. Before hitting download, make sure to check that this app is by PayPal Inc. to ensure it's the legitimate one. Once you have confirmed this, go ahead and download it to your device. After downloading the app, open it up. The first thing you'll see is the sign in or sign up option. To sign in, enter the same email and password you used when creating your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's a quick link to reset it, which will guide you through retrieving access to your account safely. It's important to keep your login details secure to protect your financial information. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top, you typically have your balance displayed, which is helpful to quickly check your available funds. Below that, you can see recent activity. This includes transactions like money you've sent, received, or any payments pending. Now let's add a payment method if you haven't done so already. To do this, tap on the settings icon, usually found on the top right side of the dashboard. Select banks and cards. Here you can add a new card or link your bank account. Simply follow the prompts to enter your information securely. By doing this, you enable the ability to seamlessly send and receive money. Finally, explore the features. Take note of the send and request options at the bottom. These are the core functionalities you'll likely use often. To send money, enter the recipient's email or phone number, ensure you have the correct person, and input the amount. For requesting money, it's much the same. Enter the sender's details and the amount you're requesting. With these basic steps, you now have a solid foundation to use the PayPal app on your mobile device. Remember that practice will help you become more comfortable, so don't hesitate to explore more of the app's features as you go along. Keep your app updated to benefit from new features and improve security. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances with just a few taps.